Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Samar Noreen, and today we will discuss about the sources of organic compounds. There are three major sources: petroleum, coal, and natural gas. Number one, coal. Uh, Firstly, we know how coal is formed. It is believed that coal in nature was formed from the remains of trees buried inside the earth's crust ago 500 million years, some 500 million years ago. Due to the bacterial and chemical reactions on wood, it got converted into peat. Then, as a result of high temperature and high pressure inside the earth's crust, peat got transformed into the coal. This is a million years process which form coal. Second thing is, how can organic compounds be obtained from coal? Coal is an important solid fuel and becomes a source of organic compounds when subjected to carbonization or destructive distillation because it contains a higher content of hydrogen, which can in the form of volatile compounds. And these volatile compounds, when evaporate and by heating or distillation process, destructive distillation process, the carbon content in the coal would be increased. This is called basically carbonization. Uh, when coal is heated in the absence of air, temperature ranging from 500 to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is converted into three contents: coke, coal gas, and coal tar. The higher content of organic compounds is present in coal tar. Here we have a process of coal formation. First of all, wood dead plants uh, ago 500 million years. Uh, uh, these dead plants buried in earth crust and bacterial and chemical reactions on these plants convert it into the peat. Peat on high temperature and pressure converted to lignite, and lignite is a soft form of coal, and lignite on having high pressure converted to the bituminous coal, which is some harder than lignite, and bituminous coal after further pressure converted to anthracite. This is the animation of the coal formation. You can see here the peat look like this. This is converted to the lignite, and you can say subbituminous and bituminous. And the size is also reducing because pressure and heat is applying constantly. And with the passage of time, it is converted into anthracite or coal. In Pakistan, the coal reservoirs produce about 184 billion tons of coal, and about 80% of the coal is used in baking bricks in lime kilns, and some quantity is also used for the domestic purposes. And our government also trying to induct coal into the industry by setting up coal-based power units. Then second is the natural gas. It is a mixture of low boiling hydrocarbons. A major portion of the natural gas is methane, and other some traces like carbon dioxide and other gases are also present in trace amounts in the natural gas. It is also formed by the decomposition of organic matter. The organic matter is the same in case of petroleum and natural gas. We can see here in the picture 100 to 400 million years ago, plants which are buried in earth crust as dead plants 100 million years ago, and these converted into the natural gas by fermenting plants, and organic matter create natural gas as byproduct of qualification. That is mean coal formation. During coal formation, natural gas is obtained as a byproduct, and this look like under under rocks and dirt in the earth crust. In Pakistan, the gas being cheaper is used for power generation and in cement and fertilizer industries, uh, as a fuel in general industries and for domestic purposes also. Petroleum, mineral oil is called petroleum when it is in the refined form. The oil which is obtained from the process of drilling under the earth crust is petroleum. When it is refined, it is called mineral oil. It is thought to have been formed by slow chemical and biochemical decomposition of the remains of organic matter. Same organic matter, that is the dead trees under the earth crust found between the sedimentary rocks. When extracted from rocks, it appears like a liquid of blackish color known as crude oil. It is refined to get different petroleum. Uh, this The refining of the petroleum is done via distillation process. Here we have a chart in which we can see the fractions such as natural gases which can be separated below 20 degrees Celsius, and it contains methane to butane in it, and it is used as fuel and petrochemicals. Second one is petroleum ether, which is also called pet ether. It is a combination of uh, pentane and hexane, and it can be obtained at temperature 20 to 60, and its appearance, and it is used as a solvent in different chemical reactions, organic reactions. Ligrine or naphtha, it can be obtained from temperature 60 to 100, and it contains hexane and heptane, and it is also used as the solvent and raw material. Then comes gasoline. Gasoline is found between the temperature 40 and 220, and it contains many alkanes, hydrocarbons, and used in the motor fuels. Kerosene. Kerosene can be obtained between 175 to 325, and it contains hydrocarbons C8 and C14, uh, also used as heating fuel. Gas oil, more than above 275 temperature, it can be obtained, and it gives carbon 12 and carbon 18 hydrocarbons, and it is used in diesel and heating fuel. Lubricating oils and greases, viscous liquid, its appearance like viscous liquid, and it contains hydrocarbons of above C18, carbon 18, and it is used in lubrication. Same like paraffin, used in wax products, and it contains hydrocarbons from carbon 23 to carbon 29, and asphalt or petroleum coke is a solid material which is a residue and may be used in roofing, paving, fuel reducing agents, etc. Thank you so much.